Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send videos through Gmail. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. How to send videos through Gmail using PC. Open any browser on your computer and visit the official site of Gmail. Click on the Sign In option available on the top right of the interface. It takes you to the login page. Enter your email ID and click on Next. Provide password and hit Next to log in to your Gmail account. After successful login, it takes you to the inbox of your Gmail account. Click on the Compose option available on the left menu. Then the Compose window will pop up on the right bottom of the interface. Click on the paperclip icon available in the bottom menu of the Compose window. A window will pop up and allows you to choose the video. Select the video and click on Open. Then the video is added to the email. Now, provide the recipient details, subject in their respective columns. Later, click on Send to send the email. How to send video through Gmail using mobile. Launch the Gmail application on your mobile. Tap on the Compose option. Then it takes you to the Compose page. There, tap on the paperclip icon available on the top right corner. An options list will open. Choose the Attach File option from that list. Then it redirects you to the local storage of your device and allows to select the video. Choose the video by tapping on it and the video will be added to the email. Now, enter recipient ID and subject in their respective columns. Later, tap on the Send icon to send the email. How to send video through Gmail from Google Drive. After logging into your Gmail account, move to the inbox. Click on the Compose option. Then a Compose window will pop up. Click on the Google Drive icon available on the bottom menu of the Compose window. Then a window will pop up and shows you the files available in Google Drive. Choose a video and click on it to select. Next, click on Insert to add it to the email. Provide the recipient email ID and subject. Later, click on Send to send the email. How to send video through Gmail from Google Drive. Launch the Gmail application on your mobile. Tap on the Compose option. And it takes you to the Compose interface. Tap on the paperclip icon available in the top menu. An options list will open. Choose the Import from Drive option. Then it takes you to the Google Drive and from there you can choose the video. Tap on the video to select it, and then tap on the Select option. That's it, the selected video is added to the email. Now, provide the recipient email ID and subject. Later, tap on the Send icon to send the email. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.